Hey there, hiking friends, it's Kelly again. Today is Saturday, July 3rd, 2021, and I'm checking in from San Luis Obispo once again. And today I'm at the bottom of the Cuesta grade, checking out the Miossi roller coaster loop trail. So let's check it out.
Black and white,
This must be tunnel 10.
black and white, 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 black and white.
Alright, so I'm about 35 minutes into the hike. I'm almost to the top of the roller coaster. I got one more hill there. That should be the top, and then it should be all downhill from there. Now, if I were a betting man, I'd say that trail right there goes along this private property and snakes its way back down. That's Poly Canyon right there, I'll bet you. And somewhere over on the other side of that hill is a Serenity swing. As I'm pretty sure that's Cal Poly campus, looking straight through that canyon, dead ahead. I gotta be close to the top of this thing. It's only a 4.1 mile loop, and I'm already about 2 miles in. What the hell? Oh, fucking hell, what a view.
Black and white, black and white.
Alright, so I'm guessing this is the top of the roller coaster here. Unless I'm going up there, but I don't think I am, because I looked at the GPS and I'm already 2 miles into this thing. And this is only a 4.1 mile loop. So I gotta be heading down any second now. That's probably private property on that next mesa over there with the red dirt. So I'm now on the Panorama Trail, which was the easy trail that goes up to the backside of this loop here. So one side's hard, one side's easy. But I guess the roller coaster trail continues on that way through some other private property, and I have no idea where it ends up, but I don't want to find out today. I already did 7 miles on the old stagecoach road before I started this hike, and my legs are getting tired. So pretty much mostly downhill from here on out, so that's a good thing. But killer view up here. I'm sure you could see all the way to the water if it wasn't foggy over there. But again, I picked a good day to do this. Sunny, but not too hot. Making my way down the backside of the Panorama Trail and back towards the bottom of the loop where it joins up right at the train tracks there. And there's the tunnel that goes underneath, and according to one of the maps, it's called Tunnel 10. I don't know where 1 through 9 are because I haven't really explored this area, but I'll take their word for it. And back to the car. Okay, let's look at the stats. 4 miles even. 1 hour and 44 minutes. So there you have it. The Miossi roller coaster loop trail, start to finish. Pretty cool trail. Starts off with a bunch of switchbacks, makes its way up, goes up and down and up and down, and then it goes through a tunnel under the train tracks. And then it splits between the Panorama Trail and the roller coaster trail. And the roller coaster goes up and down and up and down. You get to a nice top, beautiful 360 view. You can see all the way to the ocean, over Cal Poly, all is slow. You can see the grade, the freeway, everything. Anyway, I liked it. I'll do that again sometime. And I picked a good day to do it because even though it's July, the weather's pretty mild today. Anyway, that's it. This is Kelly signing off from San Luis Obispo. And remember, as always, keep hiking.